ક્યારે પધારે મારો જન્મ સુધારે રે મારી ઝૂંપડીએ રાતે તેરી એટલી ખબર હે અચ્છા
I have to give tea to Nikhil. That's one task. And then the other is you saw all the clothes in balcony? So I remove them, just keep them aside and keep it in everybody's cupboard. That's the thing to do, and the lunch box. That's it. In December I'll complete 5 years of my marriage. So now they want a kid. So we are already too late in general. But they just keep telling us all the time. But yeah, we're still not sure. So it'll take time. But
Have you imagined to have kids?
No, I cannot. Actually, I am too scared of the whole the whole idea of having kids and all. But I think I'll manage. It needs a little settlement in life, like financially and also career-wise. Because if I plan a kid, the only problem is that I cannot do tattoo from that time till at least a year or something like that. Once I conceive, so I don't want to break. So I also do paintings so that when I conceive, I can do paintings yet. I don't want to sit home and not do anything. So yeah, but they expect, but they don't force. Everything is amazing over here. The lifestyle, the culture, the openness to new things, the never sleep, never get tired attitude of Mumbai is the best thing that I like. It'll never let you stop. The strongest influence I must say is, if I have to say, there are few, not one person, but it's my dad majorly who has inspired me a lot all the time. He's always treated me as a child, not just as a daughter or as a son or something like that, but he's treated me like his kid, and stuff, and always supported me with everything. My dad, my mom, and majorly my husband. Definitely he's been my best friend forever. So yeah, he's a turning point of my life. Hello. Yeah.
बच्चा है बच्चों. Hello. How are you?
हाँ भाई. हो.
So this is goddess Lakshmi, the goddess of money, and like wealth, not just money, like wealth. But she has 2 peacocks, and the center is a tulsi. So even peacocks have a lot of importance in India.
National bird of India.
Yeah, the national bird. Also, Krishna's favorite peacock. So, and this is Lord Krishna.
This is Cobra.
Cobra, yeah.
Always with Shiva.
Shiva.
I'm just
The
a
age.
Shiva
No, not it.
fan,
The
so
age.
I like doing something which is related to Shiva. So I did this.
They just expect me to be happy in whatever I do, nothing else. They just want me to be happy. Like enjoy, whether you are busy, you are not busy, you want to work, not work, you have to enjoy what you do.
Yo. Hi. How often do you meet your family?
Like once a month or once in 2 months maximum, yeah, because the bonding is too good, so we cannot resist for many days. Somebody or the other from the family has to meet, yeah, so we have to come again and
आंखों में मेरी आंखों में सच्चाई देखो.
In a society, they don't look at it as humans. They differentiate always in men and women. So Men always have an upper hand in the society. They used to have an upper hand, but things have been changing definitely now. In remote areas, still the thing is that man is the powerful person in the family, and he is the one who decides things, and the female continues with his decisions and agrees to him every time. But things are changing now. Yeah, but generally, yeah, males are in an upper hand in the Indian society. It's changing definitely.